Yo, family, what's happening? I know, real excited. Wheel swap. And not like I haven't done one of these ones before. I had. Might be among one of the ones I might give away, maybe. If I do, if my heart doesn't go boogie buck. Certainly hope not. Yeah. Haven't done a full custom for a while. Bunch of project cars. I'm gonna do take that one down and do something other than do total custom on that. Absolutely. I wheel swap one. Bunch of other project cars I want to do. Another one of them. First one of them. It's probably the second one, different color. I like the red on it though. But yeah, I want to change some mags out. Wheel swap again. I'm probably not the only one. And if when I can, I might give some of these ones away. I like that to go to my buddy Sean, because I think he'd really like that one. So just give me some time, guys. Another favorite wheel swap. Soon to be another wheel swap. Never touching that one. That's going to be left alone just as it is. Right.